The robust and growing field of in-office venous surgery demands that practitioners stay on top of evolving science and innovation. The International Vein Congress leads the nation in offering in-depth education for vein specialists. Held in Miami, the IVC brings together a multidisciplinary group of physicians, allied health professionals, and industry representatives to learn all about the latest techniques, technology, and approaches.
As far as vein meetings go, this has to be the most comprehensive.
I think the speakers are excellent. I think Dr. Almeida has done a tremendous job in bringing everybody together. It's a very friendly community. You could call anyone on the phone, and that's something I took home. I mean, I had always been able to call anybody I meet here, and they've always helped me, including Dr. Almeida himself.
If you're serious about veins, this is the conference to come to.
In addition to covering clinical and scientific issues, the IVC teaches physicians and their staff how to turn any venous practice into a successful, financially sustainable business. The IVC grew out of a vital need for information sharing that would enhance the skills, increase knowledge, and strengthen economic viability across the field. Leading this serious education is Dr. Jose Almeida, a vascular surgeon who in 2003 established the IVC.
We do cover the basics, and then we get into nuances. And we have this, for example, we just finished the V2 symposium, which is veins the next level, ask the experts. We start getting to really recondite questions with arcane type of data that are presented in really specific situations that we need to deal with. And a novice won't catch a lot of that, but the guy who's been here a couple years will.
The IVC exhibit hall adds another dynamic learning component to the meeting's strong academic program. Attendees receive a first-hand look at the newest developments in products and services.
A meeting like this is really essential to see the latest technologies, the latest procedures, and not only to see them here, but then to see the live cases that they present as well and see it firsthand. You get a good cross-section of presenters that lets the people in the audience decide what's the best way to work at this. So it's not all one view, it's you get a good cross-section of presenters, and then they can back that information up.
The IVC basically is the only meeting of its kind where the attention is focused on the outpatient treatment of venous disease.
In addition to expert presentations, panel discussions and debates, small group workshops, on-site live scanning and question and answer forums, highly educational live case demonstrations give attendees the best seat in the house.
The real separation between this meeting and others is the live cases. We do live surgery from my office the second day of the meeting and broadcast it into the audience, into the main auditorium. And we have a panel of experts that we interact with from my office via telecommunications. So the audience really gets the feeling that they're standing in the operating room watching this. No other meeting does that.
Here, everything comes into focus as doctors, nurses, technologists, and others gain the knowledge and background they need to excel. With its beautiful beaches, great restaurants, and captivating nightlife, Miami continues to emulate its standing as a world-class destination and host for the International Vein Congress, the single most important meeting for today's vein specialists.